Hey everyone, it's John here, and in this video we're going to take a look at creating barcodes in Excel. So you can take something like a product code and convert that into a barcode. Let's take a look. So in order to create barcodes in Excel, we're going to use this service, Barcode API. And so this is a free service. You don't even need to create an account. You can just use the URL that you generate from this web page. So it allows you to select various barcode types. So for example, here we can create a barcode from alphanumeric data. So let's try that out. And then we just need to paste in whatever data that we want to turn into a barcode here. So for example, let's try this product code. And down here, we can copy the link for that. And that link is going to return this exact barcode based on our product code. Now let's head into Excel and see how we can use this. Now, in order to generate our barcodes in Excel, we're going to use the image function along with the URL that we copied from the Barcode API website. So let's try that out. So the image function allows us to generate an image based on a URL for that image. And the URL is going to be a text string, so it needs to be in quotation marks. And then I'm going to paste in that URL that I copied from the website. And let's close the quotation marks and press enter, and then it's going to generate our barcode. And we can increase the cell size and get a larger view of that. And there's our barcode. Next up, let's take a look at how we can generate a barcode based on any of our product codes. So in our URL that we copied from the website, you can see that our product code is tagged on at the end. And so we can edit our formula so that we're concatenating on any product code to the end. Let's try that out. So here, we're just going to edit this formula and delete our hard-coded product code. And then on the end, we're going to use an ampersand and join our product code from this cell here and press enter, and we get that same barcode. But now we can copy and paste this formula down and generate barcodes for each of our product codes. So there you go. That's a quick and easy way to generate barcodes in Excel based on your specific data. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel for future Excel videos like this one. That's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.